How to connect Crunchyroll to TV. I'm going to tell you how to connect Crunchyroll to your TV. First, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. You can either use Wi-Fi or wired connection. If you're using a smart TV, go to your TV's app store and download the Crunchyroll app from the TV app store. If you haven't already, it's free, but you'll need a Crunchyroll account to stream. But if your TV isn't a smart TV, do not worry. You can cast from your phone, open the Crunchyroll app on your phone, click the cast icon, and select your TV. Once connected, just pick your favorite anime and hit play and enjoy it on the big screen.